Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Alma's Beauty. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you for everybody that has commented, and let's do this. Welcome to Alma's Beauty. I'm still trying to find a good intro for my channel, but I'm working on it. Okay, so I already did my foundation. I used the Infallible Pro Matte by L'Oreal. I need this makeup to last pretty much all day today because it's gonna be a day. And underneath, I use this one by Trader Joe's. Is the Daily Facial Sunscreen. I like it because it's silicone-y. Let me show you. It's on my video, yesterday's video, but it's like this. And I'm like, I used it here and there. I've been using it, but I'm like, why don't I just do that today? Because I am gonna be like outdoors kinda. And what else? I prepped my lids using this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind eraser, and I set it with this powder by Wet n Wild on my lid. Did my brows with, this is Soap and Glory eyebrow pencil thingy. Okay, so let's do this. I don't know what look I'm gonna go do today, but I was going through my stash and I'm like, I haven't done anything with this palette. I haven't pulled it out in a long time. I had to clean it up, but you know, I was like, I need to try something with this. So let's do it. Okay, so this palette is by Too Faced and is the Sweet Peach. I got it a long time ago, obviously, right? So I'm thinking of going in with this brown right here. It's called Puree. I'm gonna go in with that one. And I'm gonna put that one on my crease, and I'm using the Wet n Wild brush. And I love this brush because it's big and it's very fluffy to work on my crease. I just like that. Okay, so I placed that color on both my lids on my crease, and now I'm gonna go in with the little bit darker one, but it's kind of like reddish. So I'm gonna switch brushes and I'm gonna pull out the Makeup Revolution Magic Wand by Shrek collection. And I'm gonna use that to place that color. And I'm just tapping it in the corner right now. And slowly working it in to my crease to blend in with the other shade. Feathering it out on the end. See the difference? Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this brush by Real Techniques, and it's called Defining Crease Brush, and it's a thin, pointy brush. And I'm gonna get, oh man, I'm debating between this one and this one and this one. I'm just gonna go in with this one right here. And I'm just gonna put it on the tip of the brush and place it on the outer V, creating, I'm doing it really lightly, like that. Okay, so now that I have both lids done, I'm gonna go in with my smudge brush by e.l.f. And I'm gonna use that darker shade right here and place it on the bottom part. Oh, that was too much. Bottom part of my eye, close to my lash line. Okay, so now I'm going in with this Makeup Revolution Shrek and Makeup Revolution brush. It's a flat little brush like this, perfect for concealer. That's what I feel like it's for. And I'm gonna get a little bit of my concealer here, and I'm gonna cut my crease. Okay, so now that I cut my crease on both my lids, I'm gonna get my flat shading brush. And this one is the 239 by MAC. This one right here. And I'm gonna go in with the lightest color, which is this one. It looks like a peachy champagne, something like that. But I'm gonna place it, and I'm gonna put that one in the inner corner part of my eye. I'm gonna pack some more. Then I want to go in with this one right here. It's called Luscious. The first one I use is called Nectar. This one's Luscious. And I'm gonna place that one right on top of that other color, and I'm gonna feather it out towards the outer part. And let me do the same for the other side. So there it is. It should look like this. So now I'm gonna pack more color. I'm gonna get this glittery peach called Candied Peach. I'm gonna pack my brush with it. There it is. And I'm gonna place that on the outer part of my eye. And I'm gonna layer it in with Luscious. Oh my God, I love the way this look turned out. I love it already. And I'm not even done. I almost feel like the camera doesn't do it justice, but anyways. Should look like that. So now I'm gonna get the light part of the, look, I finished this one a long time ago, white peach. So I'm just gonna do the peaches and cream right there, and I'm gonna put it underneath my brow for a little highlight. Okay, so I'm back with my lashes and my eyeliner. So what I did is I put my lashes on. The ones I'm using today, let me put it together, are called Shy by Kiss. And also I did a little bit of eyeliner on top of the lashes just to cover up the lash band. Okay, so now I'm gonna conceal my under eyes with the Wet n Wild Incognito. Place it under my eyes. And I'm gonna use my Real Technique sponge. Sponge. Mi esponja.
Mommy.
Yes, baby. Oh, wow. So now I'm gonna set my under eye with this L'Oreal True Match powder with this brush. Now I'm gonna get the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. Looks like this. Mine is old. And I'm gonna get probably the middle color and contour my face. Now I'm gonna go in with the NYX Sweet Cheeks Matte Blush and the color Bang Bang. Looks like this. I love this color. And this is the brush by Makeup Revolution with the wand. Ah, that's a lot. Okay, let's see how this color comes out, but I picked the Petal by Milani. It looks like this. I think it's a pretty pink color. Let me dab off my oil a little bit. I think this color works for this look. I'm gonna keep it. And oh my god, I love the way it came out. It's just beautiful, perfect, and glamorous, and like, I don't know, it's everything. Okay, so let's set our makeup. Where's my setting spray? I usually have it here. Okay, so I'm using the Milani setting spray, Make It Last. Okay, everybody, and this is my finished look. I love it so much. I'm ready for the day, ready to do this, ready to make food and go out and do whatever. So this is a perfect look for a date night, I would say, or holiday party, something, whatever you want. I'm using it to go out today and run my errands. But yes, and I decided to pull my hair back a little bit. It was nice and curly yesterday. It was wavy, it was all over. And today I wanted to kind of tame it a little bit. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in. I love doing this. And thank you to this palette by Too Faced. I love the way the eyes came out. I love the lipstick with it, everything. Thank you so much. Thank you for everybody that has subscribed. Thank you so much for tuning in, and follow me for the next video. Have a great weekend, and thank you. Have a good day.